what is one of the most effective strategies for driving e-commerce revenue, but usually an afterthought for many marketers, maybe due to lack of time or resources? Bundling products into bundles and kits. Bundling products isn't just about selling more items. It's a proven tactic to boost average order value, improve customer experiences, and introduce customers to new products. Bundling combines complementary products or services into one package, creating a value proposition that's greater than the sum of its parts. Customers often perceive buying bundles as a better value than buying each product individually, which can encourage them to spend more. One of the primary benefits of bundling products is the increase in average order value, or AOV. When customers are scrolling through your product catalog and they see a bundle as a better offer, they're more likely to purchase that over individual items. This naturally raises AOV, which is one of the key indicators of revenue growth. For example, instead of selling a single product at $30, we can create a bundle of 3 related products at $75, which is a savings to buyers purchasing products separately but can still boost our AOV. Bundling also helps with inventory management. By grouping products together, we can move stock faster and reduce the costs associated with holding on to excess inventory. This is especially useful for seasonal items or slower moving products that may otherwise sit on inventory shelves. Customers love bundles because they feel like they're getting a better value. Kits and bundles often simplify the buying process, helping customers feel like they're making a smart decision by buying a complete solution. In fact, studies show that customers that buy bundles have a higher satisfaction rate. Plus, they're more likely to become repeat customers and recommend your brand. For those of you who are new to us, Catsy is a software solution that supports bundling for Shopify and BigCommerce, among other e-commerce channels. If you want to see how you can improve the management of your product listings, book a demo with us at catsy.com. Another way to increase revenue is through personalized bundles. By using customer data, we can create bundles tailored to specific segments, which increases relevance and conversion rates. This is particularly effective in e-commerce, where we can suggest bundles based on browsing and purchase history. Bundles and kits also help us to stand out. By combining products in unique ways, we can create a competitive edge that other brands may not offer. It becomes really hard for competitors to replicate these customized packages, therefore helping us retain and attract more customers. To measure the success of our bundling strategies, we'll want to track several key metrics. Number 1 is the average order value increase. Keep track of the units per transaction. Are customers purchasing more items? Next is inventory turnover rates. Are bundles moving stock efficiently? And lastly, customer satisfaction scores. Are customers happy with the bundling combinations that are currently being offered? In summary, bundles and kits aren't just a way to move more products. They are a strategic approach to increasing revenue, building customer loyalty, and standing out in a competitive market. By offering curated bundles, we can give customers a more valuable experience while improving our bottom line. To see for yourself how Catsy can help you manage everything related to your product catalogs, whether it be on your e-commerce sites, marketplaces, or even in print, book a demo with us. You can sign up at catsy.com. Let's go.